Hi, what's up, buddy? Welcome to Rich Talk Insider, a place where future millionaires come together to get ideas. 3 most important things to do before selling your house. If this is your first time to Rich Talk Insider, we talk about stock investing, real estate investing, and how to be a real estate agent. So if you want to make more money and succeed in life, make sure you subscribe our channel so you do not miss any of our videos. Three most important things that you need to do before selling your homes. You can do all these 3 things at the same time. It doesn't have to be in order. So tips number 3. Before you sell your homes, you need to put yourself in the buyer's shoe. It's really important that if you have any holes in the wall or any paint chips, make sure you fix it, because the buyers, when they come to your house, they are only looking at on surface, on the surface. So it's really important that whatever they see, they are happy. So if you have any missing light bulbs, you just replace a new one. If your light switch button isn't working, just replace it. Or if it's missing a cap, just replace it. Because think about it, if the buyers has a really great real estate agent like me, I usually tell my clients, you know what, if you see something, the light switch is missing a cap, or if there's a missing light bulbs, what else could be missing in this house? And what else could be wrong? Because if the homeowners don't take their time to maintain something that can be seen easily, they're not gonna take their time to fix something that is not visible. Remember, that's how the buyers think. So if the buyers see anything, a crack in the windows, a crack in the wall, a crack in the foundation, whatever, they don't want to buy. That's very simple, because whatever they see, they need to be happy. So it's really, really important. So just put yourself in the buyer's shoe. So let's say the buyers stop by your house, the curb appear, does your house has a beautiful lawn, or does it have flowers? If you're living in a condominiums or townhomes, there are always so many different ways you can decorate your house. You can put really nice lighting, and also you make sure you paint the door. So the buyers gonna come, the buyers agents gonna come, they're gonna see the doorbell. Is your doorbell working? Or they're gonna try to open the door with their key. Is it stuck? Because I have a situation where the key is stuck. It's very difficult to open the door. So that makes the buyers and any potential buyers feel not so comfortable. The process has to be so easy that they can come in to see the house. Oh, this is the house that I want to buy. You want to make the decision making as easy as possible for the buyers. That's what you want to do, and what the listing agents can help you do that. So anything that needs to be fixed, repaired on surface, just do it. Just do it. Especially anything that you can see. If it's something that the buyers, anybody cannot see easily, you can fix it probably later. If after they do inspection, they ask for it, then you can do that. So just fix it. Of course, if it's a major issue like AC isn't working, AC is not working, or the roof is leaking, you have to do it. You have to do it, because they're gonna know anyway. So yeah. So that's number 3. So number 2 is that number 2 that you need to do before selling your house is gather all the documents. Go back to the documents that you got when you bought the house. Go through it. Does it have a survey? Do you have a survey? So make sure you have a survey. If you don't have it, it's okay. The buyers can buy, or you can buy a new one for the buyers. But if you have it, that could save the buyers some money. You can use my survey. If they like the survey. Is there any warranty for your appliances? You bought a new refrigerator, washer, dryer. Keep the warranties for that. Or warranties are also the receipt as well. You don't necessarily need to show the receipt, but it's always good to have a record. Warranty, did you replace the roof, last year? Or how long is the warranty? If it's a lifetime warranty, show it. Tell the buyer. When you put your house on the market, on the MLS, multiple listing service, some of the service allows you to put the document. So you can put the roof warranty, whatever, your survey. Then when they see it, they're gonna like it. Oh, they just replaced the roof. It has a lifetime warranty. So they're gonna like it. So anything that you can find warranty, receipts, then you get out all the documents for that as well. And I'm gonna be talking more about tips, before and during the sales, after you sell the house, anything related to real estate in this channel. So you can subscribe our channel for the next series or episodes. So tip number one is look for the great real estate agent. A great real estate agent basically gonna come to your homes and see what's necessary, and they're gonna tell you the honest opinion about how much the value of your house could be, upper limit, lower limit, and you really want an agent who's honest. You tell the agent, it's totally okay to tell me anything. Tell me honestly, because some of the agents might think that, if I tell you these needs to be fixed, you're not gonna give me business. That's what I'm afraid of. What some agents gonna afraid of, probably most agents. So you can tell them, just tell me honestly. I'm not the one. I'm not afraid of telling honestly. That honestly. So what happened was that I got a one seller. So basically, the house was on the market for 2 years. They started around 380,000. Then they started reducing the price until 250,000. 250,000. The house was still on the market. I went there and see the house. What happened was that the house was missing a light bulb, lights, and also the light ceiling is missing a cap. The countertop is so plain. It's not granite countertop. It's not an issue that it doesn't have a granite countertop, but it's so plain, so white. So I asked them to paint the countertop with special painting. That's what I specialize in. Then make it look like granite countertop. It looks so beautiful, so beautiful. And also ask them to replace all the light bulbs. And also paint the room, because they have one room that has a different color from the other rooms. So that makes it so ugly. For that, I asked them to trim the trees, cut down the tree in the backyard, everything. It cost them only about 5,000. 5,000 extra probably takes about 2 months, 3 months. So that's why you want to bring a real estate agent, a realtor, before you put the house on the market, because you're not gonna know how long it's gonna take to fix the things to make the house ready for that. So call them as soon as possible. So then we sold the house within 2 weeks. Multiple offers. That's a big difference. Then homeowners told me, wow, that was a big difference. The previous agents never told me anything what to fix. You are the one. You are very brutally honest. When I first met you, I was taken aback. That's what she said exactly. I was literally taken aback because you were so brutally honest with that. So I got the job done. So it's very important to find a realtor very honest and transparent realtor who's not afraid to tell you as it is. Also, you need to encourage the realtor. Just tell me honestly. Honestly, what I need to do. I want to sell this house within 30 days or at this amount. Because they're gonna give you a range. And also remember, some of the realtors gonna give you higher range just to get the business. Then your house gonna stay on the market for like 60 days, 90 days, or 4 months, 6 months. Then your house value goes down because everybody's gonna start thinking, what's wrong with your house? Why is it taking so long to sell your house? That's why I need to prepare the statements, explanation, to sell this house. Hey, yeah, the previous 2 agents previously the house wasn't renovated, and also there wasn't so much of marketing done, so that's why the house was on the market. Now we got multiple offers. Would you like to submit an offer? You see, that's how a great listing agent prepare the explanations and statement. They foresee that what the buyer's agents and buyers gonna ask, so they already prepare everything, what to repair and how to say, how to explain. It's really important that agents don't lie. I don't lie, because the real estate agents have to be ethical. They have to tell all parties honestly, not misleading, and also that's why I put into effort, a lot of effort into getting the house prepared, so that I cover all the questions the buyers gonna ask for that. The buyers or agents gonna ask. So yeah, so these are the 3 most important things that you need to do before selling your homes. So if you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe our channel, so I'm gonna be posting more real estate videos in the series. So if you're interested in stock investing or stock trading, you can check out my other videos as well. You can get more than 2 free stocks. So if you click the link below and deposit $100, there are a few other links as well. You can get $30 bonus if you just by opening an account. If you're paying more than $15 a month for your cell phone, you're paying too much. I only pay $15 a month. So the link is below. It's unlimited data, talking and testing. Link in the description and comment as well. So if you want to become a real estate agent, you can sign up for a real estate license agent's course as well. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.